What is this?
It's nothing but salt. I didn't do this. Someone betrayed me. Michael, is this the same dish?
No. This isn't the flavor I tasted before.
Mistakes come with a very high price.
Emily was just an ordinary girl from a small Texas town, but her dreams were much bigger than her circumstances.
One day, my grandmother's recipe will be known across the world. Grandma, your recipe means everything to me.
My dear, always cook with love. This is a 5-star kitchen, not a home kitchen.
I'm here to learn.
We've just secured the biggest contract in company history.
Which one?
Billionaire Michael Anderson's wedding. This opportunity could change our company forever. Or it could destroy it.
Tomorrow, I'll make my grandmother's special dish.
That this very dish would change her destiny forever.
We want something truly special for our wedding.
A flavor people will remember forever. This is our finest dish.
It's beautiful, but it doesn't touch the heart.
I'd like to present my grandmother's special recipe.
This is a billionaire wedding, not a home cooking competition.
I'd like to taste that recipe.
This isn't just food, it's my grandmother's love. There's something truly special about it.
The aroma is taking me back in time.
If Emily succeeds, everyone will remember her. I can't afford to lose my place.
In the darkness of the night, someone made a dangerous choice.
Just one small change, and her dream is over.
Today, we'll make our final decision.
I hope we finally find that special flavor.
What is this?
It's nothing but salt. How could this food be ruined? This is the recipe I prepared. Someone changed it.
Just admit the mistake, Emily.
I didn't make a mistake.
The truth needs to come out.
I have another bowl.
When did you make that?
I've had it from the beginning.
This is your last chance.
This is about my grandmother's honor.
Go ahead. This flavor,
Michael, what is it?
it reminds me of my mother. I've eaten at the most expensive restaurants in the world, but I've never felt anything like this.
My grandmother always said, food made with love reaches the heart.
She was right. This is the dish that will be served at my wedding.
I want the same thing. Thank you, sir.
How did this happen? She was just an ordinary girl. Emily proved that true talent doesn't depend on where you come from. This story isn't over yet.
But in the middle of all the happiness, a secret was still hiding.
I have a feeling something is wrong.
Check the kitchen cameras.
We found something. Someone entered the kitchen last night and tampered with the dish.
Who was it?
That person, it's Sophia Reed.
I can't believe it. Sophia, we need to talk. Did you tamper with Emily's dish?
Yes, I did it. I was afraid everyone would forget me. I chose the wrong path. You tried to destroy my dream. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Sophia, what you did was a very serious mistake.
I know, ma'am.
You deserve to face the consequences.
I accept my mistake. One chance could change her.
You want to forgive her?
My grandmother used to say, "A bitter heart can never make sweet food." I hurt you, and yet you still forgave me. People make mistakes, but they also have the power to change.
Now Emily's grandmother's recipe had become the most special part of the billionaire wedding.
This place is beautiful.
But the real memory will be made by the food.
Every plate should be filled with love. Now I finally understand. This flavor is incredible!
I've never tasted anything like this before. Emily, you didn't just prepare a meal. You gave our family a memory.
Your grandmother would be proud of you. This is all because of her.
Today, I'd like to make a special announcement. Emily Carter, you're not just a chef. You're a treasure. Starting today, Emily Carter is the new head chef of Golden Table Catering.
I simply followed the lessons my grandmother taught me. Food cooked with love is never forgotten.
Emily's life had changed, but she never forgot where she came from.
This success is my grandmother's legacy.
I underestimated you.
Every person has the ability to learn and grow.
Emily, you've given our company a whole new identity.
This success belongs to all of us.
Emily, I have a gift for you.
A gift? For me?
This is your new car and your new apartment.
I don't deserve this.
You earned it through your hard work.
I'll never forget where I came from. Grandma, your dream has come true.
Money can change a person's life, but it can never change the value of a good heart.
We're going to create new recipes.
And learn from old mistakes.
And the award for Best Chef of the Year goes to Emily Carter.
This award is dedicated to my grandmother. She taught me how to cook with love.
You've proven that true greatness comes from the heart.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson.
We're famous across America now.
This journey is only beginning.
There was a time when I wanted to stop you. Now I want to walk beside you. Now I want to walk beside you. We all become better through our mistakes.
Thank you, Emily. Grandma, your recipe is known all over the world now.
What began as a small girl's dream had now become a source of hope for thousands of others.
Remember this: food isn't made by hands alone. It's made by the heart.
Today, we're beginning a new chapter.
Several years later, Emily's name had become known across America.
All of this is the result of my grandmother's blessing.
Chef Emily, you've taught us so much.
A true chef is someone who helps others move forward. Our company is many times bigger than it used to be.
But our principles will always remain the same. Every plate should be made with love,
And every flavor should be honest.
Emily, you've proven that success isn't achieved by money alone.
hard work and faith are just as important.
Emily never forgot where her journey began.
This place will always be part of who I am. Every word you taught me is still with me today.
We will also cook for those who need it most.
This food is wonderful.
Because it's made with love.
Today, we're not just celebrating success. We're celebrating a beautiful journey. Emily, you've shown the world that dreams can begin anywhere.
I was just a girl from a small town, but my dreams were always bigger. My grandmother taught me that food has the power to bring hearts together.
Chef Emily, your story gives us courage.
Believe in your dream.
Grandma, your legacy lives on.
A simple recipe ended up writing an extraordinary story.
Remember, the best food is always made with love.
This is more than a company.
It's a family.
Some people inherit wealth, but true respect belongs to those who work from the heart.
Grandma, your story will never end.